Dear students, welcome everyone for 11th standard, third chapter, vegetative morphology. Today class, we are going to study about that types of the leaves. In a leaf mosaic, leaves tend to fit in which one another and adjacent themselves in such a way that they may secure the maximum amount of sunlight with the minimum amount of overlapping. The lower leaves have longer petioles and successive upper leaves possess decreasing length petioles. In order to avoiding the overlapping, need to get sunlight for photosynthesis. The leaves are arranged in such a pattern. Let's we study about that types of leaves. Simple leaf and compound leaf. The single leaf is said to be simple leaf. The group of leaf it's called compound leaf. In a main rachis bear more than one lamina surface is called leaflets. The compound leaves have evolved to increase total lamina surface. There is one axillary bud in the axil or the whole compound leaf. The leaflets, however, do not possess axillary buds. Let's study about that. Compound leaf, the types of compound leaves, unipinnate, bipinnate, dipinnate, decompound. So they are feather-like and such leaves are four types: unipinnate, bipinnate, dipinnate, decompound. The first one about unipinnate. Unipinnate when the leaflets are directly borne on the primary rachis. In this rachis, the simple and unbranched which bears leaflets directly on its sides in alternate or opposite manner. For example, a rose leaf, neem leaf, or unipinnate. Unipinnate are two types, peripinnate and imperipinnate. Unipinnate, the two types, peripinnate and imperipinnate. The peripinnate, they have paired leaves. The peripinnate, they have paired leaflets at the tip. When the leaflets are even in number, the leaf is said to be peripinnate. Imperipinnate, when the leaflets are odd in number, the leaf is said to be imperipinnate. They have impaired leaflets at the tip, that is imperipinnate. So peripinnate, the leaves evenly is present in the tip, that is peripinnate. Imperipinnate, unevenly is present, that is imperipinnate. Let's study about bipinnate. When the primary rachis bears several secondary rachis, which in turn bear the leaflets, it's said to be bipinnate. The primary rachis produce secondary rachis, which bears the leaflets. The secondary rachis are known as pinnae. Secondary rachis is known as pinnae. The number of pinnae varies depending on the species. For example, mimosa, acacia, so maybe it's get variations, the branches based on the species. Next we study about tripinnate. When the primary rachis bears several secondary rachis, in which turn bears several tertiary rachis holding the leaflets. The tripinnate. Tripinnate, when the rachis branches thrice, the leaf is called tripinnate. Next, decompound. The pinnate leaves of an order higher than tripinnate, more than tripinnate are said to be decompound leaves. When the rachis of leaves is branched several times, it's called decompound. For example, Coriandrum sativum. It is decompound. Next one, Palmately compound leaves. The palmately compound leaves, the leaflets are borne at the tip of the petiole. A palmately compound leaf is defined as one in which the petiole bears terminally, one or more leaflets which seem to be radiating from a common point like fingers from the palm. That is palmately compound leaf. The first one, unifoliate. When a single leaflet is articulated to the petiole, it's said to be unifoliate. For example, citrus plant. Next one, bifoliate. There are two leaflets articulate at the tip of the petiole. It's called bifoliate. Next one, trifoliate. They have three leaflets articulated at the tip of the petiole. It's said to be trifoliate. Next one, quadrifoliate. There are four leaflets articulated at the tip of the petiole. It is quadrifoliate. Next one, pentafoliate. There are five leaflets articulate at the tip of the petiole is said to be pentafoliate. Next one, multifoliate. More than five leaflets articulate at the tip of the petiole. It is multifoliate. So the palmately foliate we have studied about unifoliate, bifoliate, trifoliate, quadrifoliate, pentafoliate, finally multifoliate. Dear students, in this class today we have studied about compound leaf, under the compound leaf, pinnately compound leaf and palmately compound leaf. Thank you for watching. We'll meet next class. Thank you students.